Hello, myself Sunil Ramachandran. This is an actual part of the language. So here one person told that basically. That means rain basically which is falling basically. That is on the base of construction area. So one person told that yes basically that is on the base of construction area. So here one person told that the construction area basically which is created, that is 15 lakh building basically. So the person basically who is into this business basically, he told that basically every year basically you have to create some building basically for rainfall. So that was very interesting question basically. That was very interesting question basically. So one person told that that is not checked basically, but that has done R&D basically. That if we don't create every year building, then basically rain doesn't fall basically. But in Mumbai basically, at least basically 2 to 3 projects basically completes basically. At least 2 to 3 projects basically gets completed. So one person told that like this basically the seasons are handled basically. But here one person asked the question basically, what actually they create here basically? Because every time basically they creates new projects, new buildings. Then only basically rain falls. So one person told yes, yeah, that basically is very dangerous thing you asked basically. So one person said this is basically one time machine also basically you can say. That rain season basically has came. When rain season will get end, then another season basically. So here one person for every season basically the different buildings might be. That is 100% basically different building might be for each and every season basically. So next video.